Birdies. Lots and lots of birdies. Look at them all. Look at them all. Thousands of them coming. Birdies. Look at the birdies, Prince. He's got on his sunflower necklace. Look at all the birdies. Look at them all. There's a big black splotch now in the old cornfield. It's birdies eating. Wow. Look at that. Wow. That's amazing. Beautiful. Glorious. I would like to put some music to this. It's like a wave. Right, here comes some more from over that area, from the north and the east. And they're all in the field. Oh, here they go. Beautiful. Trying to hold on so when they all leave, we'll get the film. Hold on, Princey. Look at the pretty birdies, Princey. Beautiful. Uh-oh, there they go. Wow, look at that. It's unreal. Wow. Thank you, Father, for letting me see this. Wow. I hope they don't poop on the house. They're all headed for our house. Now they're going north. Well, that's all the birdies for now. There's some renegades going the other way. God bless y'all. Hope you enjoy it.